So, chicas, today we are going to practice simple present and also present continuous. So, what are we going to do right now is to practice some questions about the simple present, okay? So, it says, warm up today is. What do you usually do on? Okay, so today is Sunday. And what do you usually do? What do you usually do on Sundays? Okay, so we are going to answer these questions, the questions that you have here, talking about Sundays. Okay, talking about your Sundays. So question number one, what time do you usually wake up on Sundays? What time do you usually wake up on Sundays? Ruth, what time do you usually wake up on Sundays?
I usually wake up at 6 a.m.
6 a.m. And you, Gabby? What about you? What time do you usually wake up on Sundays? Gabby, can you send a message in the chat? What time do you usually wake up? Okay, next question. Do you have breakfast? Do you have breakfast on Sundays? Do you have breakfast on Sundays? Ruth, do you have breakfast on Sundays?
Yes, I have breakfast.
On Sundays?
Yes, on
Yes,
Sunday.
Okay, great, very good. Okay, in my case, I do. Okay, question. Hello.
Hello, teacher. Good morning.
Hello, good morning. Okay, Sandra, do you have breakfast on Sundays? Do you have breakfast on Sundays?
Yes,
On Sundays? Mm-hmm.
yes.
Oh. Yes, I do.
Es que vengo de la... Por ahí es que vengo toda media sofocada.
Don't worry, it's okay. Okay. Question number 3. What do you usually eat? What do you usually eat on Sundays? Ruth, what do you usually eat on Sundays?
I always eat on Sunday.
Yeah, but what do you usually eat? What do you eat on Sundays?
Yeah, I always eat coffee and toast.
Toast. Okay, okay, good. Sandra, what do you usually eat on Sundays? What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Do you usually eat pupusas, drink coffee?
And I drink coffee. And I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
Okay. Okay, good. Very good. Next question. What time do you go to a okay, sorry. Do you drink coffee or milk? Do you drink coffee or milk? I usually drink coffee. What about you, Ruth? Do you drink coffee or milk?
I always drink coffee.
Coffee, okay. What about you, Sandra?
Um, I drink coffee.
You drink coffee. Okay, good. Next one. What time do you go to a school or work? If you work, I go to work at. If you go to school, I go to school at. Okay. Ruth, what time do you go to a school or work?
I go to work at 5 a.m.
5 a.m. Okay. What about you, Sandra?
I go to the work 7 o'clock.
At 7 o'clock.
Sí.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, next question. What time do you start work or classes? What time do you start work or classes? In my case, I start work at 7 a.m. and I start classes at 8. What about you? What time do you start work? What time do you start classes? So you can say I start work, I start my my work at and the time, or you can say I start my classes at. Okay, Ruth.
Yes, I start my work at 6 half
Okay, still 6:30.
half
Okay, great.
a.m.
Sandra,
I do you start classes 8 o'clock.
okay, I start.
I start classes 8 o'clock.
Okay, good, very good. Okay, next one. Where and what time do you eat lunch? Where and what time do you eat lunch? I eat lunch in my house at 2 p.m. What about you, Ruth?
I eat in my house.
At what
I
time?
eat, I eat in my house at time 12 o'clock.
At 12.
12 o'clock.
Okay, listen, it's like that. I eat my lunch in my house at, and the time, okay? Do it.
I eat my lunch. No, I eat lunch in my house at 12 o'clock.
Good, very good. Sandra, what time, where and what time do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch my house 1 o'clock.
Okay, I eat my lunch in my house at 1.
I might eat no, I eat my lunch at my house at 1 o'clock.
Good, very good, great. Okay, next one, it says, what do you usually eat? What do you usually eat? Means for lunch. What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually eat salad, fresh salad with chicken, with rice, and with 1 tortilla. Okay, tell me about you. What do you usually, oops, sorry. What do you usually eat for lunch? Ruth.
Yes, I usually eat chicken, rice, and salad.
Okay, okay, good. Sandra?
I usually chicken lunch.
You usually eat chicken for lunch.
I usually chicken.
Okay, very good, for lunch. I usually eat chicken for lunch. Okay, and next one, it says, what do you do in the afternoons? What do you do in the afternoons? In the afternoons, I usually listen to music. I usually watch TV. After that, I usually do my homeworks. Later, I usually practice English, and then I usually eat snacks. Okay, now tell me you. Ruth, what do you usually do in the afternoons?
I I usually wash my clothes.
Okay, what else?
I usually wash my clothes and study English.
Okay, I usually study English.
I usually study English.
Okay, good. What about you? What about you, Sandra?
I usually I snap.
And what else? Ma,
I do you afternoon. I snap.
I eat and snack.
I snap and study English and computer.
Okay, I study English and computer. Okay, great. Next, what do you like to do after dinner? What do you like to do after dinner? Okay, después de que cena, okay? What do you do after dinner? After dinner, I usually chat on WhatsApp. After that, I usually do the dishes. Later, I usually prepare my bed and I go to sleep about 9 or 10 p.m. Okay, now tell me you, Ruth, what time do you usually, what do you like to do after dinner?
I usually after dinner check my cell phone and or watch TV.
Just that?
And then also wash my dishes. Mm, only that.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Sandra, what about you? What do you like to do after dinner?
I usually watch TV and on my cell phone. Um, Amaka.
Okay, I usually stayed in a hammock. I usually stayed in a hammock.
I us I usually stay in Hamo, watch TV in my cell phone.
Okay, I check my cell phone, I watch TV, and I stayed in a hammock.
I usually watch TV and my cell phone stay in the Hamo.
Good, very good. Okay, and the last one. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 9:30 or 10 p.m. What about you, Ruth?
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Great, at 11. Okay. And you, Sandra?
I think I think o'clock p.m. I sleep.
Okay, you go to bed at 10 p.m.
I go to bed 10 p.m.
Okay, great. Now, guys, we are going to practice about the present continuous, okay? We're going to practice the present continuous. Right now, you have some questions over here. Also, you have, let's see, you have a picture, okay? You have a picture. What I need you to tell me is about these people. What is these people doing? Okay, so I am going to send you a picture about this. Okay, I'm going to send you a picture to your WhatsApp about these people. Okay, and you have to tell me what these people is doing. Okay. Okay, because right now we can't identify the names, right? The people's name. So in the WhatsApp group you have a picture with the names of these people. Now here in the left side we have some questions. I need you to look at the picture. Necesito que vea la imagen. Look at the picture. And I'm going to ask you these questions to you. Okay? It says, today is Thursday. The Greens are at home. What are they doing? Okay. Now, question number 1. Look at the verbs. Look at the verbs. The question says, are the birds flying? Are the birds flying? What do you think? Are the birds flying?
Are they were flying?
Are they flying?
No.
No what? Okay, now
No.
listen,
No.
listen. If we use the verb to be, we are going to answer with the verb to be. Example, are you doing your homework? Are you doing your homework? Ruth, are you doing your homework?
Yes, I am.
Okay, answer.
Yes, I do.
No, 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 no. Yes,
I am.
I am. Yeah. Or in negative, no, I am not. Okay. Yes, I am, or no, I am not. What about another person? If we talk about another person, is Carol watching TV? Is Carol watching TV? Girls, if the answer is in affirmative, how would it be? ¿Cómo sería? How would it be?
Yes,
How would
she
it
is.
be? Thank you so much. Yes, subject, she, auxiliary verb,
Is
is. Thank you so much. But what happens if it is negative? No,
She is.
she is not like this, or contracted form. No, she isn't. Yes, she is, or no, she isn't. What happens if we talk about a lot of people? If we talk about a lot of people, we say, are Carol and Margaret, are Carol and Margaret listening to music? Are Carol and Margaret listen to music? What do you think?
Yes, they are.
Very good. So it would
Yes,
be yes, they are. But why do we use they? ¿Por qué decimos they?
porque son dos.
Very good, because we are talking about two people, okay? We are talking about two people. So yes, they are. Oh, no, they aren't. Or they are not, okay? They aren't or no, they are not, okay? Great. Questions about this latest? Any question?
No.
No? Okay. What happened if I ask you, what is teacher Fatima doing? Invent. You can say a lot of things, okay? What is teacher Fatima doing? Okay, give an answer, a different answer. What is teacher Fatima doing? What do you think is teacher Fatima doing? Sandra.
Yes.
No, no. It is a no, yes question. Estas que están aquí, chicas, estas que están aquí son preguntas de yes or no, de sí y no. Ok. But the second part, la columna que está a la derecha, is not a yes or no question. No es una pregunta de sí y no. Y es una pregunta de información, information. Ok. So,
What is teacher?
okay, Sandra, what is teacher Fatima doing? Tell me what is teacher Fatima doing? So you can invent, you can say a lot of things. Teacher Fatima is eating, teacher Fatima is watching TV, teacher Fatima is listening to music, okay? What is teacher Fatima doing?
What, uh, my teacher computers and computer.
No, 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 listen. Here it says, what is teacher Fatima doing? ¿Qué está haciendo teacher Fatima? What is teacher Fatima doing? Ruth, what is teacher Fatima doing?
Teacher Fatima is speaking English.
Teacher Fatima is?
Teacher Fatima is speaking English.
Teacher Fatima is speaking English.
She's speaking English.
Okay, what is your opinion, Sandra? What is teacher Fatima doing?
Teacher Fatima listen music.
Is listening. One more time. Teacher Fatima is listening to music.
Teacher Fatima is listening to music.
Okay, very good. Yes. Okay. Teacher Fatima. Okay, great. Now, give your opinions, okay? Give your opinions. Okay, I'm going to ask you about someone else. What is your mother doing? That is the question. What is your mother doing? Okay, Ruth, what is your mother doing?
My mother is cooking breakfast.
Okay, she's cooking breakfast. Okay, she's cooking breakfast.
She is cooking breakfast.
Sandra, what is your mother doing? What do you think is your mother doing? What is she doing?
She is stay in home asleep.
She is staying in a hammock
Asleep.
and sleeping.
Sleeping.
Okay, ing and sleeping. Okay, yes. Any question about this part, ladies?
No, I am
No questions?
not.
Mm.